TS Diving Service here. It is February 16th, 2024. We're at port 32, slip B68, in the bubble. I'm just going to take a look at her clean for today. Just going to see what sort of conditions that she's in so we can see what it's going to take to clean her. I'm not actually going to use my skin here. I'm just going to kind of breath hold because we're just trying to take a look. So let's see what she looks like. It is very low tide right now, so it may be kind of hard to see. Crunching particles starting there. Let's look at this swim platform. Oh yeah, she's loaded up the water. I'm going to try and check out the rudder. The rudder and the props. And the stabilizers, bow thrusters, and such. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. It's definitely not just regular maintenance cleaning. Yeah, this for us will be an hourly job. 150 per hour. Might be 3.5, might be 4 hours. Take a look towards the keel of the boat, right in that midship. I'm gonna guess 3 hours, maybe somewhere between 3 and 4 hours. It's a shame. Let's check the bow thruster.